Escorted by the police and security forces, rioters board buses in their hundreds, heading for detention. One cries foul of what she sees as an injustice.
There are no criminals here. We were just protesting. We want to save the country.
During the uprising that lasted several hours, supporters of former President Jair Bolsonaro ransacked Brazil's Congress, Presidential Palace and Supreme Court, in scenes eerily reminiscent of the US Capitol riot 2 years ago. This in protest at Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva being sworn in as president a week ago, claiming his election victory in October over Bolsonaro was a fraud. Lula declared a federal security intervention in the capital until the end of the month, slamming the protesters as fascists and blaming his far-right predecessor for inflaming his supporters from abroad.
It's a genocide. This was provoked and stimulated, and which is still being stimulated through social networks from Miami, where he went.
Bolsonaro left for the United States just 2 days before his mandate was to end, a move widely seen as an attempt to evade Brazilian justice. He took to Twitter rejecting Lula's accusations and saying the invasion crossed the line.
Peaceful demonstrations, in the form of the law, are part of democracy. However, depredations and invasions of public buildings, as occurred today, as well as those practiced by the left in 2013 and 2017, escaped the rule.
Brazil's Supreme Court removed the governor of Brasilia, a Bolsonaro ally, from office for 90 days over security flaws. Ibanez Russia had already come under criticism for putting the former justice minister, a Bolsonaro loyalist, in charge of public security in the federal district. Images shared on social media also showed military police appearing to guide the rioters towards the government buildings and initially not putting up any resistance to the invasion.